There's an element of storytelling which is called zooming in. This means zooming in or really focusing on a moment of high tension or high friction within your reader's day that helps explain a wider topic. So, for me, for example, if I want to explain the concept of website copywriting and how difficult it can be for business owners to try and write their own website copy, that's a quite big topic for me to try and convey. So what I might do is zoom in to a moment in their day when not having great website copy or not being able to write their website copy is really full of friction for them. So that might look like when they're on a client call and or someone has messaged them and they ask to see their website or they have to share their website address. For them, that might be a big cringe moment. They might think, oh no, not again. I haven't sorted my website out. I have to send my client to it now. So that could be a moment of friction in their day. Another one could be that they've thought, right, I'm going to block out some time. I'm going to block my Thursday morning. I'm going to write my homepage, going to get it done. Thursday morning rolls around, they sit round, they open their laptop, they get their coffee, and it's blank page. They just can't think of how to start. And that's a moment of really high friction or tension for them that I can help solve. So I can tell that story. I know that happens. And I can use that in my marketing to zoom in on a particular moment in their day, which helps explain how I can solve a wider problem for that person. So say, for example, you are a wealth coach. What moments of friction in the day could your clients face that would really mean they could do with that your help? It could be when that ping in their inbox and their credit card statement has arrived and they kind of have to close one eye and click to open it and they just don't want to look. That could be a really high moment of friction or tension in their day that you could talk about, which helps explain your wider offer. So there's loads of different examples. It's actually quite a fun exercise to do. And the other way as well is actually you can flip it and actually come up with a moment of highest elation or joy. So this is after they've worked with you when you're talking about the benefits and the outcomes of your offer on your website copy or sales pages and that kind of thing. You could actually talk about what's that moment when they realize, wow, actually this problem is solved for me. And you can kind of flip it and do it in a positive light as well. But the moment of highest tension really works when people are when you're trying to introduce people to your offer. So they're kind of at the top of the funnel. So for social media content and emails and that kind of thing. So it's a really, really nice exercise to do, to sit down and just think about those moments of highest tension or even elation in your client's day. And then tell a story around it. Help them visualize how you can help them solve those problems. Have a go at it.